Hello, this is METİN arkadaşlar. This is 19th part of explanation of my theory. We have a free electron motion form that has, say, 0.3 nanometer wavelength, and it produces and propagates these successive waves through the eternity as it is at rest. According to my theory, it doesn't need an acceleration for producing and propagating the successive waves. There is three different situations of free electron motion form. And there are my formulas, energy formulas, here. If you want, we use that formula. If you want, we use another formula. Same results. Okay, don't forget this. I will write again. And don't forget this. In all situations, frequency equal. Okay? Relocating electron motion form and wavelengths are changing. Now, at rest, lambda n, here we know, each direction lambda n propagates at same wavelength, at rest, electron motion form. No relocating, and velocity of this electron is equal to 0. Okay. What was my formula? Equal to h.c² divided by n² lambda n I will use another one, not important. n² lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. In that position, it is at rest. Okay? Because of no wavelength changing, wavelength changing is equal to 0. There is only lambda n. And what is n? N is number of successive waves. Okay. Here we say N1, first cycle. Okay. Because of that, there is nothing. Basically, for that position, H multiplied by C divided by ln. Okay. Be careful. I didn't write because of for each position this is not true. I will show you why this is not true. Okay. At rest. For here, for at rest electron equal to yes. Four 131.8961 eV. Yes. E equal to 4,131.8961 eV. Okay. We will not forget this. Don't forget this. Yes. And don't forget this too. Frequency for each position is equal to C divided by lambda n. It means, in fact, C divided by lambda n. Mainly, it's mainly C minus electron motion form, producer of successive waves, unique producer of successive waves. Okay. Cosine alpha. This is formula. ln lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. This is real frequency formula. Because of if electron motion form is at rest, no changing wavelength, F equal to C divided by ln. Okay. Again, don't forget, please. Frequency is equal to C divided by ln equal to C minus electron velocity divided by lambda n, normal lambda, initial lambda, minus delta lambda for what? For 0 degree. Equal to C plus divided lambda n plus delta lambda for what? 180 for 180 degree. I don't want to confuse your mind. Okay, but this is real. C minus electron velocity lambda n minus delta lambda. Okay, for 0 degree. Equal to C minus electron velocity cosine alpha divided by lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. Okay. This is main relation. And related this, another formulas, n alpha is equal to h.c² divided by n² lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha, or we use another my formula, n alpha. N represents number of wavelength. Alpha represents which direction. Okay. h.c² n divided by n² lambda n in parentheses c minus electron velocity cosine alpha. Here. For all conditions, these relationships which I put forth and these formulas which I mind, my formulas, is valid for all this, for all this position. In fact, in accelerating or decelerating position of electron, each moment, for each moment in continuum, in continuity, these are valid. Think of about our electron motion form as a sphere and relocating, decelerating, relocating, accelerating, relocating, different directions, different velocities we can find in continuity. Each point, this point, this point, this point, this point. Okay, energy, velocity, wave speed. Think of wholly. Okay. Now, we apply this electron motion form 20 keV. What will be its locating velocity of electron for 20 keV? It will be, I computed before, 238,650 kilometer per second. Okay, and in this condition, here 90 degree, here 180 degree, here 0 degree. In the direction of relocating of electron motion form. Okay, say here this angle is 30 degree. Okay. Yes. Now in the direction of for 0 degree, what is energy of the wavelength? Only at this point, not wholly. At this point, what is energy quantity? Yes. You remember my formulas equal to h divided by n² lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha h.c² divided by, yeah, I go further. Yes, I'm so sorry. n² lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. Another formula, same result. h.c² divided by n² multiplied by lambda n multiplied by, in parentheses, c minus electron velocity v cosine alpha. And don't forget our frequency relationship. Okay, frequency equal to c divided by lambda equal to c minus v lambda n minus delta lambda equal to c minus v cosine alpha divided by lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. Okay. Here. Yes. Now, for this electron motion form, which is relocating at 238,650 km per second through the left side, 0 degree. At this point, what is energy? Yes, I computed for this. Yes, for this point, E and N is equal 1 for first cycle. This is 1, I say, and for 0 degree equal to, I computed, I put the data inside of these formulas, which I put for my formulas, and this is result. For this formula, okay, 20,204.8709 EV. Okay. Same frequency. Remember Planck's formula. What was it? E equal to h multiplied by nu, or so important, F, frequency. Think of that. Same electron, same initial wavelength, same frequency. It has same frequency. Look at that. It has same frequency. Yes, but for this situation, its energy is equal to 4,131.8961 EV. For this, 20,204.8709 1809 eV. Approximately yes. Approximately 5-fold. For which one is true? If for it is true, it cannot be true for that. This is not valid. Planck's formula is not valid. Okay. I computed this result with this formula and I compared it with this formula and I have found same result. Okay. For two formulas, same. Then same electron motion form, we apply 30 keV on that. What will be its velocity? According all of computations I have did according to my according to my theory and my formulas completely. Electron velocity, wavelength changing, energy, everything. Okay. Now I have found 259,099 kilometer per second. Okay. Its velocity, relocating velocity. Third position. What will be its energy in the direction of 0 degree? And first cycle, I computed what was result. Yes. Yes. 30,000 to 307.3064 eV. By using each of my formulas, same result I have found. 30,307.3064 eV. In this case, at 0 degree. Yes. What about for 30 degree, this point energy, in this point, in this velocity, relocating velocity, I computed this point's energy for first cycle and alpha is 30 degree equal to 16,000 300 93.6158 eV. Okay? For each formulas. For first case, frequency equal to second case, frequency equal to third case, frequency. Equal. Now I ask, can we use the E equal to h Planck's formula for each of these three cases. Now, because of same frequency. Okay. This is the process, not picture. We see pictures. We think of moments, but process is continuity. And in fact, in continuity, there is no quanta. Quantum physics sitting on wrong foundation. Quanta is in our minds. Lunchtime. Have a good day. See you later.